Hello YouTube friends. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Please subscribe to this channel and activate the bell so you get the latest video updates. The upcoming 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 refresh, with confirmation that the new truck would delete the controversial sideburn air curtains from the front fascia. Now, we have yet another exclusive, this time with a leaked image of the refreshed truck's new fascia design. As seen here, the new fascia does indeed delete the old air curtain design, instead moving the air intakes to squared-off dimples below the lighting elements as opposed to the thin sideburns of the current 2021 model year. The grille insert is new as well, with the crossbar-bearing Chevrolet lettering moved higher, just below the hood, rather than across the middle of the insert. Also notice the small emblem located in the corner of the lower grille section, which could be either a Z71 badge or a bow tie badge. The headlights are also particularly noteworthy, with a C-shaped design that bookends the new grille and wraps in towards the fenders, while topping the new air curtains as well. Finally, the lower bumper section was restyled with what appears to be a new, centrally located lower grille section. Along with the restyled front end, the refreshed 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 will also introduce a new rear fascia, plus new wheels and a completely overhauled interior. Inside, expect to find a new center stack and larger infotainment screen, plus a new dash and a new center console. Tech upgrades will include a new gauge cluster with the option for a fully digital readout. The column shifter will also be replaced with a new gear selector, while migration to the new Global B, Vehicle Intelligent Platform electrical architecture will enable implementation of the latest features, such as GM's Super Cruise semi-autonomous driver assist system. For the now, the debut schedule for the refreshed Chevy Silverado 1500 is still up in the air, with delays incurred as a result of the ongoing microchip shortage.